Welcome to Class 5 NCERT Mathematics Chapter 12 Smart Charts Part 1. Chi Chi Meow Meow, page number 159. Yamini did a project, Animals and Birds. She asked each child of her class about one favorite pet animal. So what did Yamini do here? She did a project, that is, she collected the data from her classmates regarding their favorite pet animals, that is, whether it's animals or bird, whichever is their favorite, she collected the data. She used tally marks to record each answer. So you all remember tally marks which we studied in third class? We used to keep a line. So no. So for example, if someone said cat, she put one line in front of cats. When someone said cat again, she added a line. So before we kept a line like this. So if again someone says cat, what she will do? She will add one more line. Understood, children? So if I said cat, one line. The other girl also said cat, one more line. Someone said again cat, one more line. Again cat, one more line. And again cat, one more line. Like this, a set of 5 will be like this. Okay, children? So this means a set of 5. 5 lines will be there like that. And this means 5 cats. Understood? Because how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will be easy for you to count. In all, 24 children said cat was their favorite animal. Help Yamini complete the table. Page number 159. This is the table given. So just now we discussed what does this mean? 5. So table of 5 you all know easily. Yes or no? Multiples of 5 you all know. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Understood how we got 24? What you will do? You have to add that because this is 5. So no, this is a set of 5. This is also a set of 5. This is also a set of 5. So easily you can do 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30 plus 31, 32. So how many children said yes for dogs, that they like dogs? 32 children. Like this you will find out for everyone. Now next rabbits, 5 plus 5, 10. Next cows, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. So what happens if we put the tally marks like that? It will be easy for us to calculate. Again, no need to count each and every line. 1, 2, 3 like that. No need to count. This will become a set of 5. And it's easy to do multiples of 5. Yes or no? So the next one will be 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next one it's easy. 5 4s are 20. Next 5 3s are 15. So now count total how much it is. 24 plus 32 plus 10 plus 22 plus 8 plus 20 plus 15 will give you 131. Okay children. Now the next one, page number 159. Look at the tally marks and write the number for each animal in the table. How many children did Yamini talk to? So just now we have written for each animal. Now total how many children did she talk to? 131 children. So what you'll write the answer? Yamini talked to 131 children. Second one, which is the most favorite pet animal in the table? Which is the most favorite? Which for which animal many children said yes? See, 24, 32, 10, 22, 8, 20 and 15. Which number is bigger in this? 32 is bigger. So most favorite animal is dog. What is the most favorite animal? Dog is the most favorite pet animal in this table. Third one, which pet will you like to have? So that you have to answer, which is the pet which you like to have and what will you name it? Yeah, what's the name you want to give it to that? Which other animals can be kept at home? So what all animals can be kept at home? If you keep cats, if you keep dogs, so no, parrots, all this you have to answer. So this question is for you children. Now next, making tally marks on road, page number 160 to 161. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. So what did she do? She stood beside the road and she counted what all vehicles are going. She made a tally mark for each vehicle. That is, if trucks are going, she made a tabular form for trucks, buses and all, and she made tally marks for that. This helped her in counting quickly the total number of vehicles in the group. This is the way she did. Cycle, car, auto rickshaw, bus, all these names first she wrote, and then she started to put the tally marks. Once it is 5, again she will start a new box so that it will be easy later to calculate. Now write the number of each vehicle in the table. Now we have to write the number of each vehicle in the table. So similarly as we did before. So what will this will be? 5. Yes or no? This set is 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 like that. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27 and 28. How many cycles you saw? 28. Similarly car, 10 plus 2, 12. Next auto rickshaw, 15 plus 3, 18. Bus, 15. Next 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 4, 24. Next truck, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Now next one. How many vehicles in all did Sumita see on the road? So total number of vehicles, how you will get? If you add all this 28 plus 12 plus 18 plus 15 plus 24 plus 6. So if you add all, how much you will get it as? 103. Sumita saw 103 vehicles in half an hour. Auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks. True or false? Now what is given here? Auto rickshaws are, first write on that, auto rickshaws are thrice. Thrice means what? You have, if you multiply it with 3 times, 3 into trucks, the number of auto rickshaws is equal to 3 times the number of trucks. This is what it is given. So how many auto rickshaws are there? See, 18 auto rickshaws are there. So that is equals to 3 into how many trucks are there? 6. So 3 into 6, 18. Yes. So then this is true. Next question. Make tally marks for 7 more buses. So here what you have to notice, the word more is given for you here. 7 more buses means actually how many buses are there? 15 buses are there. So for that you have to add more 7 buses. Similarly 2 more trucks. How many trucks are there? 6 trucks are there. So for that you have to add 2 more. If this more word is not given, make tally marks for 7 buses. So what you will do? Directly you will make a tally marks for 7. This is 5, 6 and 7. Similarly for trucks 1, 2 if more is not given, but more is given. So what you have to do? You have to add it here. That is you have to continue the tally marks here. So for auto rickshaws, come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now for trucks already one line is there, one tally mark is there. From there have to continue 2. Understood? Now, helping hands, page number 162 to 163. In the EVS period, the teacher asked children whether they helped their parents at home. There were different answers. Children named the work in which they helped their parents the most. The teacher collected their answers and made a table. So, what did the teacher do in EVS period? She asked children that whether they help their parents at home and what all help they do. So what all help they do, the most of the work which they do, she noted down, and then she noted down how many children are doing that help. Now you can fill the chapati chart to show the numbers given in the table. You all remember chapati chart in smart charts which we did in the 4th class. Chapati chart will be round like chapati and it is also called as pie chart. What it is actually called as? It is called as pie chart. P-I-E, pie. It is called as pie chart. Okay. Now, so first add all these, how much you will get it as? 100 you will get it as. And this is the chapati chart, that is the pie chart. And this is the table given. Seeing this table, we have to fill all this information. Already this part is given for you, cleaning the house as 10. Now when you see this chapati chart, you can see that this color is more. So no, this color is more. That means number of children doing that work is more. So which work is more in this? Going to market, washing utensils, washing clothes, making or serving food and cleaning the house. Out of this, which one is more, children? 47 is more. So this part will be going to the market. That is 47 children are doing that, they are going to the market. And the next biggest number is 25. That will come here, making or serving food. And then the biggest part is washing utensils, 15. And then the least small part is 3, that is washing clothes. Understood, children, how we did this? While we saw this chapati chart, we understood that this part is more. So no, this is the more part which children are doing. So for that, in the numbers we saw which number is more. So which number is more? 47 is more. So then this is going to market. And then when we see this, the next bigger one is this. So which is the next biggest number in that? It is making or serving food. That's why we have marked it here. Understood, children? Now, look and find out children who help in making or serving food are how much? Whether 1/3, whether half of the total children, or 1/4 of the total children. Making or serving food. How many are making or serving food, children? Making or serving food is 25. Yes or no? That is this. That is 25. So 25 by how many children are there totally? We just counted in the before slide. How many are there? 100. So 25 by 4 means 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. That is 1/4. 1/4 means quarter. That is 1/4 of the total children are helping in making or serving the food. 2. Practice time after school. Page number 163. Ask 10 of your friends about what they like to do most after school. So what you will do here, this work is also for you children. You will ask 10 of your friends. Okay. You make a tabular form like this. Like what all they like. Watching TV, playing football, reading storybooks, going for dance, going for tuitions. Like that you add few more columns. And then you will ask them which they will like to do. You ask 10 people and you count and write the number here. Like watching people, 5 may like. So you'll write 5 here. 2 like this. Like this, you will try to make this tabular form. So this work you have to do by yourself. Add Mat, page number 164. Ragini loves to watch cartoons on television. One day, she thought of counting the number of ads during the breaks. She found that in each break, there were 14 advertisements. In 10 out of those ads were children as actors. So what she likes to do, she likes to watch cartoons also. You also love to watch cartoons? Yes, all kids like to watch cartoons. So one day she started to count the ads in between. Ads are advertisements which come in between. So she started to count all those which comes in the break. And she found that many ads are coming, many ads were by children as actors. Why do you think that children are used in so many ads? Why children are used? Because that is cartoon channel. Cartoon channel is mostly watched by children. That's why more children actors are there. Now use tally marks to count the number of ads during a short break. So what you will do while watching some TV, some cartoon TV, what you will do, you using the tally mark, you will count how many ads are coming in a short break. For example, you are watching an half an hour cartoon show. So you will sit and see how many are coming. So what you will do, you will put tally marks. So first one ad you saw, you will put one line. Next one more ad, continue to that. 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 Next again sixth ad, what you will do? Again the fresh line you will start like this. Were there ads during the news program? Again you will see were there ads during the news program. Like this, in the before activity, you will learn how to make a table, and in this activity, what you will learn? You will learn to make tally marks. Okay, children, we'll continue in the next part. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.